say that money is not everything, but to make your life better, you need money in your life. If I'll ask you one simple question, where is money? Where money resides? So answer will be the mind. So all the time you are thinking about money. If you are jobless, you are thinking about job because you want money to survive. If you are in business, all the time you are thinking of buying products, or selling your services to get money to survive. All the time you know you need money to survive in future. So you want to save money at the same time. So your mind is always worried about money, and your emotions are also connected with money. Imagine when you get your electricity bill in your hand. So suddenly your mood becomes off and you don't want to see that bill, or you don't want to accept that you have to pay this bill. Imagine if you are helping a friend with money, it gives you proud feeling. So your mind, your emotions, also your body, you work hard to earn money. So your mind, your emotions, your body, they all are connected with money. They all are working together for money, towards money. Now there are ancient symbols which were used 8,000 years ago. And these symbols, when we look at these symbols, when we draw these symbols, our subconscious gets energy, our subconscious gets message through these symbols. So money is nothing but its energy, and there are certain symbols which are connected with money. So one important symbol is Vasudha. Vasudha symbol, if you will look at the symbol, it has swastik in it. So meaning of Su is good, Vastik is resides, where good things resides. So something, wherever you draw swastik, you are welcoming positive energy. Vasudha symbol, when we use it very often, it can be used to keep in the treasure box, it can be used to keep in the purse, wallet, it can be used to keep on the glass of water, because water gets programmed with Vasudha symbol and you can have that water, or you can stick the sticker of Vasudha symbol on the glass bottle, on your juice bottle, and when you consume that drink, it's programmed with Vasudha symbol. You have to use it again and again to have more faith, belief and trust in this symbol. Vasudha symbol, it has swastik in it, and we all know swastik is a sign of Lord Ganesha. So Vasudha symbol, it removes all obstacles from your life. Vasudha symbol, it has 4 sides, right? 4 portions, and they represent 4 directions: north, south, east, west. So we get protection from all 4 sides. Vasudha symbol can be used for concentration, it can be used for prosperity, it can be used to get courage and concentration. So Vasudha symbol is very good for children. You can draw it on the desk of the child, his study table, or on the wall, where he'll see it very often, and he's getting that energy from Vasudha symbol. Along with this Vasudha symbol, you should never say negative sentences. Never say that I'm always short of money. Never say that I can't attract clients, I don't attract good clients, I don't have money to repay my loans, I don't have money to pay my bills. Never say these negative sentences. Always say positive affirmations. I'm a money magnet, I attract money from all directions, I deserve to earn money, I deserve this amount, and I'll pay off my loans very quickly. So these positive affirmations will give positive message to your subconscious. So these positive affirmations will help your abundance to come to you. Vasudha symbol is also used for getting blessings from our ancestors, because they used to use this symbol very often. Along with this Vasudha symbol, you can keep some herbs. Two important herbs are, one is jaifal and second is cinnamon. Any one you can keep it in the jar along with Vasudha symbol and your chit on which you have written your wish in past positive tense, that this has happened already. Suppose you are looking for a particular job with particular salary, so you will write on the chit that I have got this job in so and so company with so and so salary. So in one jar you can keep this chit, you can keep cinnamon, and you can put another paper on which Vasudha symbol is there. When all these three things are kept in the jar, your wish chit is getting energized with Vasudha symbol and your herbs are getting energized with Vasudha symbol. Later, when you get the job, you can use these herbs in your daily food. Vasudha symbol, you can draw it on the note as well, on the currency note. If practically, if with pen you can't draw it, then you can just visualize the symbol on your checkbooks, on your passbook, on your currency notes, in your treasure box you can draw it, and you can draw Vasudha symbol in your purse. Each and every object which is giving you money, you can draw Vasudha symbol on that. Your products which you have kept for selling, you can draw Vasudha symbol on that. Basically, another thing about the 4 parts of Vasudha is it represents 4 parts, that is 4 Vedas: Rigved, Samved, Yajurved and Atharvaved. Also it represents 4 parts, 4 important parts of human life: duties, money, then lust and moksha. It is called dharma, artha, kam and moksha. So moksha is salvation. So dharma is duties. So 4 parts of Vasudha, it represents dharma, that is duties, artha, that is money, kam, that is lust, and moksha, that is salvation. So when you use these 4 symbols, it gives you power, energy, right direction to fulfill all these 4 sects of the human life. It improves your personality. Vasudha symbol, it improves your situation. Whichever situation you are in at present, using Vasudha symbol continuously for 43 days, it can change your life. You will start moving towards your goal with faster speed. At good pace, you will start moving towards your goal. It's very necessary to use this symbol in red and yellow color. Red represents our root chakra, which is for stability, which is for surviving, and yellow is Manipur chakra. Manipur, it's a Sanskrit word, and meaning of money is jewel. So money or jewel or treasure comes from Manipur chakra. When we don't have fear in us, we can attract money. So to attract money, you have to be fearless. So for that, you have to improve your creativity. You have to be expert, be 100% expert in your creativity, and not to get scared of competitions. Suppose you make any product and you want to sell that in the market. So before selling, these thoughts come that this product won't be acceptable because there's a lot of competition. how people will buy my product. So these are the signs of blocked solar plexus. When you start saying positive affirmations that yes, my product will be accepted by market, yes, my services will be accepted by market, you will start making money. So Vasudha symbol will help you to balance your solar plexus and your root chakra. In the symbol, you will see there are 4 spirals. So 4 spirals are nothing but they represent earth. So this symbol connects us to Mother Earth, because whatever prosperity we are getting, it's from Mother Earth. We get gems from Mother Earth. We get grains from Mother Earth. So this symbol is also grounding symbol, Vasudha symbol. We discussed that this symbol can be used in different ways to attract money. Also, along with this symbol, you can use few crystals to enhance the energy of this symbol. The best crystal is raw clear quartz. Raw clear quartz has qualities of all the 7 colors, or all the 7, it has qualities to activate, balance all the 7 chakras. It's called grandfather of all stones. So you can use clear quartz crystal along with Vasudha. I'm going to explain you how to draw Vasudha symbol in the correct way. Okay, let us understand now how to draw Vasudha symbol. This is step 1. Step 2. Step 3. And step 4. This column, the first one is for duties, dharma. Second one is for artha, money. Third one is for calm, relationship, material pleasure. And fourth one is for moksha, liberation. So Vasudha symbol, it's also called prosperity symbol. It's a blessing from ancestors. And make sure you don't say any negative sentence when you are using Vasudha symbol. And try to take yellow paper, draw it with red ink, or red paper with yellow ink. You can draw Vasudha symbol. And never say any negative sentence. It's good for children as well. Good to put on the study table of children. And it's good for concentration, education, and getting good results in exams. Very powerful symbol for those who are looking for job, looking for growth in business. Also, they want to grow their sales. And this symbol, it should be put in the north direction of the house, because north is for prosperity. Along with Kuber's idol, Vasudha symbol can be used.